Yeah, we are group 2. Our topic was park space management for urban society. So we one of 2 teams with this topic, and at the moment we actually 2 team members, and the supervisors were Eva and Metier. So I will start. I'm Florian. Do the first part with basic informations, and the second part will be done by Satkar, and he will inform the technical informations. Yeah, the world is growing bigger, and cities are growing bigger, and there are so many peoples, and that's based many problems with traffic in these big cities. So intelligent solutions are needed for the future. Cities like, for example, New York has a very bad air because of traffic jam, and the parking spaces are very often full. So there are many problems to find a free space, and they're very expensive too. So an intelligent system is needed to get this problem. What we want to save? We want to save time, because the people waste their time still driving around the city and find no spot. Then they wasting energy too. They driving around, and the cars are or the engine of the car are wasting energy. And on the top, people are stressed because they time run away. They came late for a meeting, or they came late home. So for our solution, we use existing informations on many different networks in the city, and use to connect modern technology like Wi-Fi standards or LTE or 5G or something like that, and collect this information and use this as basic for this for the parking space solution. So the solution managed efficiently the spots, and so the existing capacity can use a maximum. So the picture show the parking spot, and this is very efficiently used, and every free spot was used by car, and the goal is to have a high usage rate of every spot. So as an user, it's very simply to find a free parking space. There's an app you can use, and the app will show you the nearest free parking space. Also, payment is integrated, and the app is shows you every time a free parking space near you. This is also available as embedded system for your vehicle. So you can use the solution in car on your entertainment system of your own car. Mobile communication standards were used to connect the cars with the backend, and they were used to exchange informations about free spots and something like that. Yeah, the app also can use to find your car. If you are in a big mall for shopping and you go back to the parking area, the app will show you exactly where your car is. There are many different customers, so we are provide a solution for business users, for private users, and for users with high and low budget. So always all information were exchanged to full automatically solution from all vehicles. Payment is also very easy. You can pay per app, and you haven't to use cash. Also, the system or the solution will support government systems, so you can use a parking space of the government too. So that was the first part, and now Setcar is available.
Hello.
Hi.
Hello. This is Satcar Tiwari from Finland. Now I'm also in working, so like I do have a kind of short time, but I will try my best. Okay, like this is the car booking parking booking system. This is the picture of Prisma, one of the supermarket here, and outside of this parking space, there will be the record of how many cars are inside and how many cars are still in the parking and how many places are the vacant. And inside, like red for the booked one and green for the vacant one. Like this is the picture that shows like how they do the backend and booked one. Next slide. Next. And like some of the employer or employee who work in the city center, and if they have the subscribed parking, but if they are in the summer vacation or somewhere something happened for 2-3 days, they can rent the parking space to the public, so that they can, like, the concept is about the renting the subscribed parking space when it is not in use. So it is the mutual benefit to the customer as well as like the owner of the parking space. Next slide. Yeah, like this is kind of data center where like they record in Finland. Like I have seen one place, if every bicycle they moved from one tower, they will record like how many bicycle pass every day and how many bicycle return every day. So they will figure it out how many bikes are in the city center by this. So this is how they will find out the free parking space, is there is available free parking or not from this system. Next please. And there is another type of like, this is like I downloaded from internet. I was impressed with this picture. Like there is the sensor just next to the parking space, and that will show whether the space is available or not to the system. Next, please. All the slides from 16 to 20. These are the possible scenario and possible solution how we can record the free space. Like, okay, there are the free space, we need to inform to the system. And slide 16 to 20 are the possible like solution. They can like record the free space to the system. And another thing is that subscribed parking member can update their space if it is not used through the admin panel. They do have the separate admin panel, and they can do this thing from the special right. Next, please. And this is like in our brain, like we developed one type of like imagination UI diagram where like, okay, if you open the app, you will see the nearest parking space. Like as in the picture, you see like the car. Suppose it can be the like a free parking space. So you can just click there and see the detail, how long you can park there. And after that, you can just navigate and go there and park. And in the middle, like there is the payment of this. And this is kind of a customer UI diagram. The next, I think we are done now. Yes, and we will make the city smarter and smarter. Thank you.